Smile for the camera. IT here. This is better. Down here in the Southwest Florida region. Wanting to tell everybody Happy Thanksgiving. My little friends here, they want me to feed them, but it's against the law. Protected endangered species. I think those are related, called bent bills. They're related to flamingos. They sure look like flamingos, don't they? Standing on one leg, look. He's a one-legged flamingo, mate. This guy right here, I don't know what to call him. A heron? A harrion? Okay, mates. Thought I might show you the flamingos. Thank you for watching me channel. Much love to everyone. And happy Thanksgiving for me mates out there. Much love. Peace out. Interesting things.